How to fix YouTube full screen settings. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube videos on full screen. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube app and tap onto your profile on your bottom page. As you do so, you will see settings icon on your top right. Tap open it. Under here, tap on general. As you do so, scroll below. And here you will see zoom to full screen. Now make sure that you have toggle on this button, and once you toggle on zoom to full screen button, it will zoom all of your videos to fit into your mobile device size. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Now for reference, let's go on to any videos and turn on the full screen. Just like so, this is how it works. If you would like to zoom in, you can do it as well by pinching on the screen. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.